Today is tire change day for the Grom. These 130 size tires are no longer available in medium compound. I'm going to take this 130 off the Grom and switch to a different tire because I need this tire specifically for my Benelli. The Benelli is heavier and it needs a harder compound tire to not wear out a set of tires every single race. So I'm going to save this tire for the bike that really needs it and switch the Grom over. Grom can run all kinds of different tires. It's lighter weight. It just works well with a wider variety. So organ donor for today. I am going out on the Grom now. It's the end of the day. The Grom hasn't been ridden. The Grom needs to find out if the transmission fix helps me out. Euban seemed to like it and said it was better. So that's a good sign. It definitely is working better on the Kawasaki with the transmission. Well, how does the Grom feel? Feels like a Grom, which I have lots and lots of seat time on. Question is whether the transmission is going to be better or if it's gonna still fight with me. How many laps do I have around this dumb track on this dumb bike complaining about the transmission? Pretty much every single time I've taken the bike out. I do have the lap timer running. We're still not up to Z125 pace yet. The Z has that 4-speed transmission, which is just better. There's that stutter. That means you're getting close to being on pace. Still not there. I'm just not riding well. The bike feels so good, but it's going slow. I am already at a pace that the Kawasaki can't do. One thing I do notice that's different about the Grom is the brakes. The feel out of this front brake is better than the Z. The Z has a tiny little disc though. Oh, there's the shift problem. There's the shift problem.
It's back. I'm letting off there on the throttle in the carousel. That was the pace I wanted to do on the Z.